Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. It's by Samply, it's a hot water bottle. So this is gonna be cool for like on those cold nights when you wanna just warm up with a nice water bottle. It's nice to put in bed and stuff, or even when you're out camping and stuff. So my son totally could have used this because he went camping a couple of days ago, and he said it was freezing cold where he was at. So look at this. So it comes in a nice, is there anything else in the box? Nope, nothing in the box. So this is what it looks like here. So it's got a little pouch here, so you can kind of like warm up your hands or whatever, or put this around something if you want to. There, you can, and then here is the water bottle itself. Let me open up. I'll show you guys what it looks like here. So here is the spout for it and where it fills. So you just untwist the cap, put the hot water in there, and close it back up. So how cool is that? So it's really nice and super soft, and yeah, I like this. And I guess if you really need to like get it out of this thing or something like that, you could fold it up on the inside. I've done this before with a couple of these ones, and you could fold it up and take the hot water bottle out. So if you needed to get it out for any reason to clean your cloth or whatever, you can pick it out. And so that's what it looks like here. It's a super thick one. It says don't fill it more than 2/3 full, and expel the air, store empty. So yeah, always make sure when you store these things, you store it open like that so it'll dry out, because otherwise it gets yucky water in there. I mean, not that it's gonna be bad because you seal it up, but kind of gross. But so how cool is that? And then it's a super soft cover here. Very soft, very comfy. And let's see what it says on the tag here. Oh, just says Samply. So I guess that's what it's called now. I'm gonna call you, hey Samply, I need my Samply tonight. So cool. So I like it. It's starting to get cold here, and so this will probably come in handy soon. Actually, probably it'll be nice to just to use this sitting outside on the patio when it's super cold outside while I'm playing with the dogs or something. So I like it. I'll be getting some use out of this. So very cool. Thumbs up from me on this. I'm going to put a link to it in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Already back together.